Just showing you my setup. I got this off of Amazon for like 26, 28 bucks. Just generic truck horn. Um, put the link in the. I can put the link in the description, but I think they were currently unavailable when I last looked. Made this bracket. There's a hole right here that was already there, and so I just made the bracket on my drill press and mounted the horn to that. Put my compressor here, wired it up with the Wolo horn kit, and the relay, and just stuck that right there. Inline fuse over to the positive, and then we got the gray wire running it up into the cabinet. I've got to I'm getting a new switch tomorrow, so I just put in the one that that came with the horn kit. But it's actually kind of convenient because all you have to do is just, grab it and squeeze. Whereas, you could, I'm probably going to put it here or something, but regular horn still works too.